Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by grounding yourself with an anti-static strap and clearing a flat, well-lit workspace. Once done, remove power and any cables from the enclosure. Make sure to place the unit face down if needed. Use the correct screwdriver, often small Phillips or Torx T5, to remove visible screws and keep them in order. Then use a plastic pry tool to gently separate clips along the seam, working from one end to the other so you don't snap internal retainers. Once the cover is off, you'll see the drive and perhaps a small adapter board. You should inspect for ribbon cables or tiny retaining screws. Remove them slowly and set aside. If the SSD sits in a carrier or bracket, undo its screws and observe the connector end so you can reseat it correctly later. Make sure to grip the drive by its edges. Avoid touching contact pins. If there's thermal padding, lift it gently and keep it aligned for reassembly. You finish by sliding the SSD straight out of the adapter, avoiding any twisting motion that can bend pins. Reassemble in reverse. Reconnect the adapter board, return bracket screws, and snap the cover back down, confirming clips engage. Test the enclosure on a known good USB port before tightening every screw to ensure functionality. If the drive is not recognized, make sure the connector is fully seated, inspect for bent pins, and swap the USB cable or port. That one check resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.